The pictures you see on screen right now are all generated by artificial intelligence. AI art is a form of digital art that is created with the help of artificial intelligence algorithms. And I assure you that by the end of this video, you will be able to create your very own AI art easily with minimal efforts. In fact, you can even make money off it. The first platform is called Lexica. Lexica is like a search engine and an art gallery for AI-generated art. You can type in any word or phrase like Phoenix the Flaming Bird, and here you can see many images generated by it. These images are created by an AI model called Stable Diffusion, which learns from millions of existing artworks and tries to make new ones based on your input. To generate your artwork, click on Get Started. Then click on Continue with Google. Choose an account. And your account is now created. Now click on Generate. Here you can give a description of your artwork. You can even change the dimensions of your artwork, as well as change the model type. After this, simply click on Generate and it will start creating the artwork. You can even upload an image here and add a description. The second platform is called Playground AI. Playground is an online tool that lets you create and experiment with different AI models that generate images. Click on Get Started for free. Then click on Continue with Google. Here choose your account. Now you have to give a prompt here, which is basically describing what kind of artwork you want to create. There are several settings at the right side where you can change between models, image dimensions, and even choose how many images you want to create. After giving the description, simply click on Generate. The more details you give, the better. Playground is a fun way to play and learn with different AI models that generate images. So you have created some amazing AI-generated art using online tools and apps, and now you want to sell them and make some money. But where do you start? Freepik is one of the largest platforms for graphic resources, offering millions of vectors, photos, icons for free or premium download. If you want to sell your AI-generated art as digital downloads, Freepik is a good option for you. You can earn money every time someone downloads your artwork, either as a free user or as a premium subscriber. To sell your AI-generated art on Freepik, you need to follow their quality standards and guidelines shown on the screen. Adobe Stock is another platform for selling digital downloads of your AI-generated art. You can upload your artwork to Adobe Stock and set your own prices. To sell your AI-generated art on Adobe Stock, you need to follow their quality standards and guidelines, which include the following. Fiverr is a platform for selling services online, where you can offer anything from logo design to video editing to voiceover. If you want to sell your AI-generated art as a service, Fiverr is a good option for you. You can create your own gig and offer to create custom AI-generated art for your clients based on their specifications. You can set your own prices, delivery time, revisions, and extras. To sell your AI-generated art on Fiverr, you need to follow their quality standards and guidelines, which include the following. And that's all for today's video. See you in the next one.